Today I'm reviewing the LG SoundSuite H7 soundbar system. If you want to check current pricing or availability, it's linked below. I've used this system with movies, streaming services, console gaming, and music playback in a typical lounge setup. These impressions are based on real everyday use in a lived-in space, not marketing language. Let's set expectations early. This is not a compact TV speaker that mimics surround with only front drivers. If you're after basic volume and occasional movie effects, simpler bars will get you there cheaper. This system is built for deeper spatial performance without a full AVR and separate speaker rack. In practical use, the 9.1.6 layout with Dolby Atmos content delivers a sense of depth you feel above and around you. Height effects with Atmos are noticeable in scenes that are mixed for it. Overhead cues feel layered rather than just front to side. It doesn't quite match in ceiling speakers or an expansive, custom-tuned home theater, but it's closer to true surround than typical bars in its price tier. Dialogue clarity and mid-range balance feel measured. Everyday TV shows and news content remain easy to follow without needing constant volume tweaks. Music playback on stereo tracks feels open rather than boxy. There's a sense of width and separation that keeps different instruments and voices distinct. Bass behavior here is controlled rather than oversized. The wireless subwoofer adds weight, but it's tuned for clarity over pounding impact. For action scenes and effects, you get texture and presence without overwhelming the rest of the mix. If you want chest-thumping output at high volume levels, you'll still notice the difference between this and a dedicated dual subwoofer AVR setup. Thermals and noise aren't really part of the equation, but system stability is. Over extended viewing sessions there were no dropouts between bar, sub, and surrounds. In my environment the wireless links stayed stable without interrupting playback or Atmos processing. Build quality feels solid without feeling overly heavy or overpriced. The bar aligns visually with contemporary TV designs without distracting from the panel above it. Expandability, especially with compatible subs, gives flexibility if you want more low-end later. Setup overall was straightforward. Connecting via HDMI ARC maintained full audio bandwidth from streaming devices and consoles, and automatic sound calibration helped tailor output to my room without manual adjustments. It feels more polished than systems where you have to dial in every parameter yourself. Now limitations. Height and rear effects still rely on content mix for Atmos and room acoustics. Very large rooms with high ceilings reduce perceived overhead cues, so results vary with environment. And while this system's surround channels are real drivers, not virtual, they don't match separate floor-standing speakers in sheer spatial authority. Compared to simpler 5.1 or 7.1 bars, this feels more immersive. Compared to a traditional separate setup with dedicated amps and speakers, you trade some absolute output and tuning control for simplicity and cleaner integration. So who does this make sense for? People who want a genuinely wider, more enveloping soundstage without running speaker wire across the room. Buyers who value upgrade paths, for example adding a subwoofer that pairs cleanly. Users who watch a mix of movies, sports, and music and want clarity as well as depth. It's less appealing if your goal is reference-level home theater output with massive bass and full tuning options. Here's the bottom line. For a spatially capable, flexible soundbar system that lives well with modern TVs and real-world surround content, the LG SoundSuite H7 delivers measured performance with practical usability. Check current pricing below and evaluate it against your needs.